How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'm back again with a new episode of Single Section Sunday, where on Sundays I showcase a particular single section home that we have available right here at Recreational Resort Cottages. And this Sunday, I'm bringing to you the Drake. I am back again with an all-new episode of Single Section Sunday because, yes, you continue to hit me up asking, Mr. Tiny, keep bringing more Single Section Sundays to the channel. This is great for everyone that is looking to downsize but does not want to go all the way to 399 square feet. To some, it's the perfect compromise. Not too small, not too large. That sweet spot right in between with Single Section Sunday. So the Drake, if I'm going to bring a Single Section Sunday, then I'm going to do one of the most popular single sections if you're in the market for a one bedroom, one bath. And the Drake checks all of those boxes by being the largest single section one bedroom on the market currently. This home is 18 feet wide, 54 feet long, and that's including the 8-foot front porch. And it's on sale today for $125K. $125,000, you get everything you see besides furniture and decor. And keep in mind, that's today, not next year, not next week. Today for $125K. And because this is a popular model, you know we have to add our new and improved tweaks to the model aesthetically. So starting on the exterior, you'll see that this home boasts the farmhouse aesthetic with the garlic clove base color and the black magic trim, fascia, as well as your porch post on this model. You'll see that the porch rails are metal tops and bottoms with rebar railing. Great for longevity as well as durability. If you're subscribed like you should be, then you know the quality of the construction offers that this particular siding is 50 years of warranty, 30 years of warranty on your Galvalume metal roof, as well as 30 years of warranty on your composite Trex decking that we feature today in a Coyote Gray. Now I say that to say this. Follow me up onto the porch so I can showcase how much space you have to offer. Also get a look of that open, no crow's foot on the porch, and that beam is painted in black magic on the exterior, but garlic clove on the interior. Also get a look up at the Galvalume accent on the interior porch ceiling. We've also wired and braced it for a ceiling fan for your convenience. And you'll see right over to the side, we have the exterior receptacle outlet for you as well. Now I can talk about this outside all day long. Follow me inside so I can show why the Drake is one of the most popular single sections on the market. As soon as you come in, hey, they said, Mr. Tiny, you may want to hold off on the video tour today because we got construction going on. They're expanding the highway right across from our retail center here. Well, you know what? Mr. Tiny said, no, I'm still filming because you know why? That's going to showcase the quality. As soon as I go outside, talk on the porch, they're going to hear the jackhammers, the drillers, everything going along with the construction. But as soon as you come inside, quality, people, quality of construction, because we are offering, again, that happy medium. That way you can get a site-built quality home, but at a manufactured home price. You tell me where you can get 2023 site-built construction for $125K. I'm telling you, it's very hard to find in these day and times. So I'm trying to bring that to you with the added aesthetics. Yeah, you may be able to find it, but it's going to be a box with nothing special in it, nothing at all. You're not going to get things as you see here when you walk into your living room. You're not getting picture windows, transom windows bringing in the natural light, the vaulted ceilings from front to back, as well as the brown unique wood beam going down the center of your vaulted ceilings, accompanying that with a 3-blade ceiling fan, modern style with black blades. Very hard to get that. All those, hey, you know what that does? That takes it up a notch. it's hard. It's hard to compare. But right here at Recreational Resort Cottages, we try to make it easy for you. You can get quality and aesthetics that you're proud of at a quality price. Also, you'll notice throughout the entire home, the flooring in this model is Edgeman flooring, front to back. There's no carpet in this model. What I like about the Edgeman flooring is the color contrast. You'll see some browns, some grays, some whites, even some black tones in there. What works well with that is any color option you choose decor-wise can function with this flooring. So that is a great option that I choose to love. What I like in the living area is the openness. You can see right here, you can easily accommodate a full-size couch. You can do a love seat. You can have some recliners in here if you like, a coffee table, end tables. You have the space and opportunity to do so. And then right across from that, you'll see here, we have the floating entertainment center. So with this, you have the option. You have the option to place your TV on top of the entertainment center, or you can choose to mount it where this decor piece is right here. We've given you both options while still adding in natural light with the triple transom windows up above. So that is a great feature. One thing you'll notice is these color cabinets. First time in the Drake that we featured the satin black cabinets in this model. So we chose to bring that in for 2023. So you'll see right there, that's a great option. We've topped it off with the drama marble countertop, as well as the antique, or should I say the Arctic antique white backsplash right there for you. And then great, what I love about it is the floating entertainment center at that. Floating, there's no legs attached to it, so you got plenty of space there. And then also, follow me, from this open floor plan, it leads right into the kitchen space that is separated by this island, this large island right here that you'll see. That drama marble continued here. The brown antique wood is on the side right here of the island, as well as on the post. You'll see here, whether you got the saddle, stools, or not, you have enough space to accommodate the whole family. The whole farm can chill out right here in the Drake. So what I love about that is you can choose to utilize this island space, which also, as you'll see up above, we have another 3-blade ceiling fan. You can choose to utilize this for your eating area, or the Drake, due to the fact that it's an 18 wide unit, you have enough space over here for a small dining table as well. So I love that functionality of the floor plan. We've also given you a window right here, so that way you can gaze out onto your property, as well as another exterior door. So you've got one on the porch area, you've got one right here on the side. So if you ever wanted to wrap around the porch to this side door, you can do so, or just ease of access. Hey, you're sitting out there, you've been working out in the yard all day. Oh, I'm getting hangry. Everybody move out my way. I'll kick my boots off. I'm coming right into the kitchen, ready to eat, ready to tear something up. You can do something right there with that side door. So that's a great option. Also, look at this built-in hutch. You'll see that you have the 6-door linen cabinet, built-in linen cabinet here, and pantry, should I say. You have that space. Also, you have the satin black cabinets with the antique wood trim going throughout. All of this space and opportunity right here on this hutch bar to accommodate your blenders, your coffee makers, all of that. We also have that tile going up to the bottom of the cabinet in that Arctic white. You have outlets right here for your convenience, as well as an additional courtesy light. Therefore, if you wanted to read a nice book, a nice cookbook, you're whipping up something in the kitchen, you want to look through that cookbook, you've got that option. And then, just because we can, we threw in the 2 plank shelves right there for you as well. So you'll see those shelves in there, and we have the black flat brackets right there holding that up, just to complement everything and tie everything in together. What I love about the island as well is that you have the abundance of space. You also have electrical outlets on each side of the island. And then on the opposite side of the island, you will see additional storage. You have 2 drawers, 2 cabinets, as well as your trash drawer. So you can put your trash can in there and slide it back, out of sight, out of mind. So convenience for you, ladies and gentlemen. Also, we have more of a galley style kitchen in this model because everything's along the side wall, which is great for functionality and mobility throughout the home. And you'll see here up top, we have the large cabinets down low. You have ample countertop space accompanied by the 2 basin stainless steel sink. Window right up above, so that way while you're doing dishes, you can look out onto the property. If you're one that washes by hand, if you're one that does not, Mr. Tiny's got a dishwasher in here for you, taken care of. And the other pro of instead of going all the way down to 399 square feet, in a 399 square foot model, you would get a smaller dishwasher, more of a compact dishwasher. In the single sections, you get full-size dishwasher, so that's a great option. So you have that there as well. Also, you have your smooth top oven right there in stainless steel, as well as the convection oven up above to match. And then additional storage right there. And then up top, you'll see here, large cabinets on each side, separated by a side-by-side fridge in stainless steel with ice in the door. And 3-door pantry built in. Tons of storage, ladies and gentlemen. You got storage everywhere. If that wasn't enough, you watching Mr. Tiny, baby. Look at that. More storage. We're giving you a full pantry right here as well. What I think this works great for, in my opinion, is you got a lot of space and opportunity for your canned goods and things in the shelves. You can still add that as well, but this works as a great closet for your brooms, your mops, things like that that you may need as well. So you can put those over to the side also. And then you can follow me on back through the home, and you'll see here, we also have the space for the stackable wash machine and dryer right here in the rear of the hallway, which is great because since it's in the rear of the home, it's out of sight, out of mind. Also, we got the satin black cabinet right here covering up your electrical panel box. Just out of convenience, you got your HVAC system right inside here, covered by the door. Then we'll go ahead and make it into the bedroom. We're going to the bedroom first. You come on back. Great thing about the Drake is you have enough space for whatever size bed you choose to include. You can go all the way king, and you can do anything in between right here in the Drake. This is the largest 1-bedroom, 1-bath available. This model is 782 square feet to be exact. So great, great options for you. Also, check out the 3-blade ceiling fan we got in here, as well as the dual windows right here on this side of the wall, bringing in the natural light. Then we'll take it over here. You've got the dual barn doors, as well as the 4-drawer dresser right here in the center. And you have the space up top that you can add decor or an additional TV if you choose. You got the barn doors here. And then you'll see you have enough space for your clothing to be hung up. You've got the additional shelves here, the additional space down below for your shoes. So plenty of space right here to accommodate. I mean, at a 1-bedroom, 1-bath, it doesn't get much better than this. Keep in mind, you know, a lot of times I forget that I get new subscribers by the minute on this channel. With that said, I just want to go over the quality of the construction real quick if you're currently in the market. It's half-inch sheetrock throughout these entire homes. So that way it's just like a site built. You can hang pictures on here. It's 16 inches on center with 2x4s behind that. So that is a great option. You may upgrade to 2x6s if you would choose to do so. Also, check out the vents. The vents are in the ceiling, ladies and gentlemen. This is not the old school where your vents are in the floor. You have to worry about accommodating your furniture and not putting a rug over certain areas because your vents there. The vents are in the ceiling, so that's out of sight, out of mind for you. And then another feature, look at that antique wood trim piece there going throughout the bedroom. Just something when you're laying in bed at night, you want to look up and say, dang, I did it right. I did it right because I listened to Mr. Tiny and I reached out and got the Drake. And I reached out for quality at recreational resort cottages because this is where you're going to get it. With that said, let's take it into your bathroom. Remember, this is a 1-bedroom, 1-bath. Showed you the bedroom. Let's go in door number 1 right here into the bathroom. You'll see here, as you come in, we got that drama marble continuing there in the bathroom. We have your 4-drawer bank there. We have your mirror trim in the black satin as well to complement your cabinets. We have an additional linen right here with adjustable shelving over your toilet. And then you'll see we have the rolling glass door. This is going to be the 60-inch rolling glass door. Just walk in, shower. We have the vintage lace tile in a horizontal pattern. We also have the haystack grout in here. We have the rain shower head up above. What's great about this is you have the transom window there, bringing in some natural light. And as you can see, you have enough space in this shower to accommodate anyone. So that is a great option here. And then if that wasn't enough, you see what you get right here. Just because it was going to be some dead space, we want to utilize it. We give you another 3-door pantry. This is a linen pantry in this model. So if you want to store your towels, additional soaps and shampoos, you got that area to do so. So it's functionality of the floor plan and just making everything flow together for you. We'll go through the other door. So this is great. So we went through the first door. That's if you want to go directly from the bedroom. If you have guests over and they need to use the restroom, then of course you're going to lock that door off, close your bedroom. If you want to keep that privacy, they go in through this door. And that offers functionality for you and your guests. Now follow me back through. What I love about the Drake is this right here, ladies and gentlemen. Look how this opens up. When you come back through, you forget that this home is slightly under 800 square feet. So this is a great option, a great feature that I feel works best for a lot of people. I've had a ton of my clients purchase this home, whether it was for the mother-in-law cottage, a father-in-law cottage on their property, whether it was for their primary residence, a secondary residence, or they're just looking to downsize. Hey, they lived in that home, they gained that equity in the home, and they're looking to downsize and travel the world. The Drake is one where you can do that. You can do that because you still have ample space. You can see this is functionality right here. This is livable, and you're also able to enjoy life at the same time, guys. You don't got to be mortgage poor anymore when you purchase a home. Hey, it's $125K today in the Drake. And keep in mind, like I said, this model is a 1-bedroom, 1-bath, 782 square feet, 18-foot wide, 54 feet long, and that's including the 8-foot front porch. So guys, if this was a great model that you were interested in today and you enjoyed this video tour, hit that thumbs up, hit that like button and that notification bell. That way you're notified every time I post something regarding this type of content. Also, subscribe. If you're subscribed already, you're part of the family. If you're not subscribed like you should be, you better do so immediately if you know what's good for you. But besides that, also leave a comment. Let me know what your favorite feature of the Drake was today. Was it the 8-foot front porch? Is it that it's an 18 wide model, the largest 1-bedroom, 1-bath, single section currently on the market? Is it the black satin cabinets that you have in here? You let me know what your favorite feature was so that way I can continue to bring those options to light each and every week. Also, guys, if you want to contact me about purchasing the Drake or any other model I've showcased on the channel, you can contact me directly at the Mr. Tiny on Instagram. Just run on over to Instagram and enter at the Mr. Tiny at TheMrTiny, and you can connect with I anytime. I'm selling the Drake as well as hundreds of other models from $399 square foot up to 2,500 square foot each and every day, guys. So you can contact me day or night, and I'll make sure that price is right. Until next time, my name is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'll see you next Single Section Sunday.